Welcome to another homemaking video. I usually start by saying happy Sunday, but it's a couple of days later when I am editing this. I have actually taken clips of the past week and put some things together of things that I do through my week as a homemaker, because last week was 38 and 40 degrees and it was really hard to spend long periods of time doing anything. So every time I did something, I recorded it and I've just put it together to inspire you as a homemaker or just someone at home. Hopefully you just enjoy this little video and I'll see you soon. Saturday, I was so lucky to get this fruit and veg haul at some really amazing prices, and it wasn't till the evening that I got around to prepping it all so I could film it for you. So the biggest thing that I had to deal with was the broccoli, to chop all that up and get it in the freezer, to clean and wash all the strawberries and get those away. The apples I'll probably do another time, but I also had some fruit and veg from a couple of days beforehand shopping discount that I got from Foodland, which was some cauliflower, which you'll see coming up, and I also had got some zucchini, which you see me start to prep later on to do a crustless quiche for my daughter. The strawberries are washed and cut in half. There was only a couple that were super soft. They go into the freezer to make jam when I eventually get around to it. And all the tops there also go into the freezer. I'm going to try and make a strawberry syrup type thing. Stay tuned because it's on the list, which is probably a little bit down the list, but still we'll get there. And we're doing French toast because I got the hot dog buns marked down. It is a bit of a weekend favorite. I also did some dishes and clean up part of the kitchen today while I was doing a TikTok live, so I was able to interact with a couple of people, and a couple others said they were cleaning along with me. I have recorded most of it as long form content, so I'll edit that and get it together so other people can clean along with me. I don't have a routine or anything of when I do the TikTok lives. I just literally was like, I've got an hour, let's jump on. This is the only footage that I have of me making the crustless quiche. I don't know what happened, but that's about it. Probably I thought, oh, I've done this before, no one cares to see it again. I actually picked up this leg of lamb roast today. It was a fantastic price, so I cut it into 3 with the bone to make the roast, and then 2 lots of diced, and one I'm going to be starting to make a lamb stew on the stove while I'm cooking this dinner as well, and the other one I just bagged up and threw into the freezer, either for another lamb stew or I could cook it for me on its own. There's my daughter's crustless quiche. So here is what I use to make the lamb stew. I know it's not lamb shanks, but I'm using up what we have. I know it doesn't look the best, but there we go. And I also started cleaning out the fridge because it's a little bit chockers in there, as you can see. And there was just stuff that's been thrown in there. Being the last hot week, a lot of stuff hasn't been done, and it's been easier and quicker just to throw everything into the fridge as is. So it's time to do a little bit of a clean out. I'm only halfway through, but I have been recording it, and then I can put it together for some different video in long form content for you guys to enjoy. So not a lot done this week thanks to the heat, and I'm just going to put that out there. That's totally okay. So you don't have to be superwoman every single week. It's okay to just take it easy with the weather. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.